Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp bulk message. So sometimes when you have an occasion or something, you're going to set up a party or you want to inform some information to multiple persons of your WhatsApp contacts and you do not want to type the message to every one of them separately. So now here we're going to send the same message or the same messages to more than one person at the same time. Now to do that, open your WhatsApp application on your phone, then tap on these three dots on the top right corner, and now you have to click on new broadcast. Now you should select the people that you want to send them the messages, then tap on this button right here, and now you have created a group just for these two persons, but this group is only visible to you so that you can simply message them and send them the same messages at the same time without having to enter each chat separately. So I'm gonna type here, for example, my friend, how are you, for example. Then I'm gonna send it right here, as you can see. And now if I want to make sure, now I will go back, and now here, as you can see, I have choose this one right here. And if I want to check the other one, and as you can see, I have also the same message and both of them are sent at the same time. And you can also have this group for a long time if you want simply to create a group for your team or even for your work colleagues and you want to send the instructions to all of them without creating a specific group. So you can simply do this method. And that is it. I hope this video is useful and see you guys in a new video.